Yo guys, welcome back. I'm honestly really creeped out. It's like 3:19 a.m. I'm just about to go to bed. Someone rang my doorbell. I'm not even kidding, like 5 minutes ago. Someone rang my doorbell. That was fucking weird. Of course I didn't open, why would I? But why would someone ring the doorbell this late? I definitely don't trust anyone. Yeah, and then I looked out the window, nobody's there at all. Just gone. Why would someone ring the doorbell this late? Even if it's not some, like, burglar or whatever, some crazy person. Like, why would someone even want to ring the doorbell this late? You know? But that wouldn't be a burglar, that wouldn't make sense. They would just break into your house, they wouldn't ring the doorbell. Some sketchy person. But yeah.